If you want to select out just particular fields and then generate out report using them, then what you can do is you can use something called report wizard. So to do that, first of all, you need to go on to create right here. And once you go around over here, you will be able to see the option for report, as you can see right over here. And on the side, you can see the report wizard. So if I were to click on this, the wizard opens up, as you can see right here. So you can go around and select out the table. So from table 1, let's say I want name right here. I want member ID. And then from table 2, I'm just going to select out other data like expertise right here. And then I'm going to bring in skill and price, let's say, for example. So these are the selected fields, as you can see. And now I'm going to press next right here. So you can see that I can generate out report by table right here, just like this. So it says, how do you want to view your report, by table 1 or table 2 right here? So you can go around and select out if you want to combine them or you want to keep it separate. So I'm just going to combine them right here. So I'm just going to select out this option and click on next. So over here, you can see that do you want to add any grouping levels right here. So if I were to do that, then you can see that I can change around the grouping levels over here. In my case, I don't want to do any grouping levels. So I'm just going to hit next right here. So now you can go around and let's say I want the data to be in ascending order by name and others. I don't really care. So I'm just going to keep that as an option right there. And now I'm going to click on next and you can select a columnar or a tabular justified data, as you can see. So I'm just going to keep it justified right here. And you can also adjust the field width so that it fits within a page. So I'm just going to click next right here. And then I'm going to say example report right here. So I'm just going to say example report right here. And I'm going to click on preview the report. You can also directly modify the report's design if you want to, but I'm going to click on preview the report, click on finish. And now what happens is that depending on the report that we selected, now you can see that this is actually how it displays. So it is in the tabular format, as you can see right here. And if I were to press next, you can see that it has generated out the report according to how we have selected it out. You can also go around over here and then arrange this out. So let me just close the preview right here. And then what you have is you have the design view, as you can see. And what you can do is now you can use the formatting options to design the report in the way you want as well. And that is how you can use Report Wizard to generate out reports inside of Microsoft Access. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.